Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I Shakila Nas and I am going to present prevalence of HPV and HCV in pregnant women in district Karak Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is the journal overview of paper which contain abstract, introduction, methodology, result and discussion, summary and conclusion, and also acknowledgement. The abstract contain aims, material and method, results, conclusion. Our aim is to determine the population-based zero prevalence of HPV and HCV infection among pregnant women of district Karak. Material and method, we use and we collect 120 blood sample from pregnant women by attending different healthcare center of district Karak. Sample were analyzed by CT test for the positivity and negativity of HPV and HCV specific IgG antibodies. Results: total of 120 blood sample which we collected. Out of 120 blood sample, 12 means 10% HPV positive and 20 means 16.66% are HCV positive. 26.66 out of 100 is HPV and HCV positive. Conclusion: the HPV and HCV infection has a very high prevalence and taken in endemic from Pakistan, so routine screening of HPV and HCV among pregnant women is recommended. This is the introduction. HPV and HCV virus. HPV virus means hepatitis B virus is the infection of liver. It can cause scarring of the organ, means enlargement of the organ, and also liver failure and liver cancer. If it is doesn't treated in early stages, it can be fatal. HPV virus, it is partially double-stranded DNA virus. The genome is 320 to 3320 nucleotide long. HPV is a species of genus Arthropedinovirus and member of family Hepedinoviridie from viruses. This is the way of transmission and way of infection. The transmission occurs through direct contact with infected blood. Use of illegal drugs. Needles that are contaminated are not sterile. From an infected woman to her newborn or during delivery or childbirth. Blood transfusion, tattooing and sharing sharp instruments such as razor, toothbrushes, nail clippers, earring and body jewelry can be source of infection. Diagnosis occur through blood test, liver ultrasound and liver biopsy. In blood test we use HBsAg means ICT test, IgM body for acute infection, acute is for short period of time, and IgG antibodies for chronic infection means for long period of time. Chronic is the acute form which is prolonged for long period of time. Liver ultrasound, a special ultrasound called transient elastography that can show amount of liver damage. Liver biopsy, small sample of liver for testing to check for liver damage. Hepatitis C virus is a contagious disease caused by a member of family Hepativirus. Hepativirus means C species. It is envelope positive since single-stranded RNA virus of the family Flaviridae. The genome is 9600 nucleotide bases long. Transmission is similar to that of HPV. Direct contact with infected blood, use of illegal drug, needle that are contaminated, not sterile, from infected woman to her newborn, blood transfusion, healthcare worker who have exposure to blood at high risk of infection with HCV, tattooing, sharing sharp instruments such as razor, toothbrushes and nail clippers. Earring and body jewelry can also be the source of infection. Diagnosis: blood test, liver biopsy, ELISA for HCV antibody, PCR, liver biopsy, small sample of liver for testing to check for liver damage. Objective to determine the prevalence of HPV and HCV in pregnant women of district correct population. It is to determine the impact of various factors, means some factors are responsible for the causes of the disease, for example, age, education, occupation, residency, and stages of pregnancy, and prevalence of HPV and HCV in pregnant women. This is the material and methods. The methodology which we use: first we collected blood sample, then sera separation, then HPV HCV analyzed by ICT, then IgG positive sample, statistical analysis and finding p value. Result and discussion. This is the demographic character of pregnant women of district Karak in 120. Number is 120. The sample is collected on the basis of age group, residency, education, occupation, economic position, and stages of pregnancy. Overall prevalence of HPV HCV in pregnant women of district Karak 120 out of 120 12. HPV positive means 10%, and HCV is 20 out of 120 means 16.66%. Total positivity of HPV HCV is 26.66%. Age wise prevalence of HPV and pregnant women of district Karak. Age group 15 to 21, 34 to 40 year, means the 34 to 40 year have high risk of HPV positivity, means 12.19%. Age-wise prevalence of HPV in pregnant women of district Karak. This is the age group percentage value, in which 34 to 40 year female have high risk of HPV positivity at the age of 34 to 40 year. Age-wise prevalence of HCV, in which 28 to 33 female have high risk of HCV during pregnancy, 20%. Age-wise prevalence of HCV in pregnant women of district Karak 28 to 33 year female have high percentage value of HCV positivity. Prevalence of HPV among pregnant women based on their education: illiterate, matric, and graduate illiterate have high percentage value 11.26%. This is the graph of prevalence of HPV among pregnant women on the basis of their education. Illiterate have high percentage of HPV HCV positive infection. The prevalence of HCV among pregnant women on the basis of their education is similar to that of HPV. Illiterate have high value of infection or percentage 19.71. This is the graph in which illiterate have high percentage. Prevalence of HPV among pregnant women based on their occupation based by housewife, farming, and employed housewife have high percentage of 14.86. Prevalence of HPV among pregnant women based on their occupation, in which housewife have high percentage. Prevalence of HCV among pregnant women on the basis of their occupation is similar to HPV. Housewife have high percentage. Prevalence of HCV among pregnant women based on their occupation. This is the graph. Prevalence of HPV among pregnant women based on gestation period: first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. Third trimester have high percentage. This is the graph in which third trimester have high percentage of HPV based on gestation period. This is the HCV gestation period based prevalence in which third trimester have high risk is similar to that of HPV 22.85. This is the graph in which third trimester show high percentage value HPV among pregnant women based on the residential, urban and rural. Urban have high risk of the disease 13.15. This is the graph in which urban have high percentage HCV among pregnant women based on their residential, urban and rural similar to that of HPV. Urban have high percentage 17.10. Prevalence of HCV among pregnant women based on residential, urban show high percentage. This is the graph. Prevalence of HPV among pregnant women based on their economic position, low, medium, high. Low have high percentage 15.838%. This is the graph in which low show high positivity. This is the collection and prevalence of HCV among pregnant women based on their economic position. Low have high percentage 18.46. This is the graph in which low have high percentage. Summary and conclusion. It is clear from the study that pregnant women of the study area are at high risk of HPV and HCV infection. Education seems to play a major role in HPV and HCV related awareness. In addition, economic condition of the population are directly related to the prevalence of HPV and HCV. Individuals with low socioeconomic status are at high risk of HCV and HPV infection. In area of residency have close relation to the prevalence due to availability of health facilities and awareness. So we concluded that education, age, economic position play a very important role in the spreading of the disease and HPV and HCV infection among pregnant women. Study limitation. Currently conducted study may not show the actual figure of HCV and HPV. This study is limited only to small size of population. It is clear from the picture that disease will be given by study and depth will include large number of pregnant women. The disease can be also spread if we study a large size of population, and result will be on the basis of sample collection which we collected from large size of population. Acknowledgements goes to Dr. Niaz Muhammad and also Dr. Anis Muhammad, Chairman. Thank you.